Sec. Just one. And yeah, everything's perfect. Excellent. It's right here.
He's a little boy at the age of 5.
Hi guys, this is a new episode on the Hitch Insights channel. I wish you a great, productive day and may all your dreams come true. And I'm gonna continue testing new crypto tools. I was very happy with the previous results from the last video, but is it luck or pure math? We'll find out right now. I'll turn on the screen recording so this test is as transparent as possible. And guys, be sure to subscribe and leave comments if the video is actually useful. So first of all, we're heading to Telegram. There we go. Here I'm gonna hit the start button. And yeah, basically people in the comments already asked me for the project's name, so I'm not gonna focus on that too much. I hope you'll find it yourself. It's no big deal. Most importantly, don't rush. Take your time and don't make mistakes. And while I start the setup process, I'd like to remind you guys that this video is not financial advice or a financial recommendation. I'm not a financial consultant or an advisor. Keep that in mind. I'm just testing these projects and platforms here on my channel. And then I share my experience with you guys. That's all I do. So I'm showing how these projects work in real time. And I think some of you guys might find this interesting. So I'm continuing the setup now. Give me just a moment. Yeah, I see that everything is going right. There we go. It's processing now. Great. Just a bit more. We're gonna wait one moment. Stay with me, guys. And yeah, perfect. So next, I'm gonna go back right here. Go back to my Telegram. I'm gonna press this button. And then, there we go, we have to choose an option. I'm gonna go with this one, and perfect. And guys, please remember that for this project, I'm only using a small test amount. A small test amount that I'm totally comfortable with, and this amount works for me perfectly. And by the way, guys, please don't forget to do your own research on the platforms and projects that you're gonna use, and everything will be fine. This is important. Keep that in mind. Okay, so give me just a sec. As you can see, the setup process can take some time, but there's nothing complicated about it. Basically, just need to copy this info and paste it in the corresponding fields. And don't worry about getting confused, it's all written in detail, just don't rush things. So we got the picture. Now our task is just to properly copy the visual elements and paste them onto our page. And I recommend not rushing things here. It's better to double check everything a few times. This is important. And make everything look exactly like the picture, because this is the most crucial thing. So the first one's done, then the second one, I'm gonna look again. The third one, moving on, almost perfect, yeah. And yeah, we have a result, great, I'm thrilled. So far, I like everything, but will I get lucky one more time? Let's find out, guys. So, give me just a sec. 1, 2, 3, got it. The last one, and yeah, did you see that? I'm lucky again. I just don't understand how this is happening, guys, but although most likely it's not luck, it's, pure math. So, as I said, this tool runs on AI. AI is analyzing open data, and that's how it happens. So, moving on, looking great. So, 2 more, the last one, and yeah, well, I definitely didn't expect that, honestly. So, one final round. Let's do this, guys. Yeah, probably the last one, and I'm gonna wrap it up. So basically, we're gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna open those tiles. Give me just a sec. 3 here. One on the left side. And the last one. And bullseye again! Well, I think I should wrap it up, guys, because there always has to be a limit. Keep that in mind. So now the main thing is just to finish this project correctly without any mistakes. And I'm gonna say right away, this was a cool experience. It was massive. It was fun. But while I'm doing this, guys, once again, I'd like to remind you that I'm not a financial advisor. This video is not a financial recommendation. I'm just testing this project in real time and sharing my thoughts with you. Basically, that's all I do. So if you're really interested in projects like these, you can subscribe to my channel. Basically, guys, your support is very important to me, and basically on my channel, I test similar projects quite often. And yeah, so be sure to subscribe. This is important for me. Okay, and there's one more thing I wanted to say, but first I'm gonna try and refresh this thing. And give me just a sec. Just one. And yeah, everything's perfect. Excellent. It's right here. Everything updated, and I'm very happy with today's work, guys. I'm gonna wrap it up, guys. Once again, if you found this interesting, you can subscribe to my channel. I wish you a wonderful day, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments, and basically, if this video was helpful, be sure to share it with your friends. So I'm gonna see you in the next one, guys, and bye-bye.